Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up HSA contributions and reporting with Lively step by step clearly. To set up HSA contributions and reporting with Lively, start by visiting the Lively website. Log in to your Lively account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Contributions section on your dashboard. Select the option to add a new contribution. Enter the amount you wish to contribute to your health savings account. Choose whether this contribution is a one-time deposit or a recurring contribution. If selecting a recurring contribution, specify the frequency of the contributions. Next, input your payment method details. Ensure that your payment information is accurate to avoid any processing issues. After entering all required information, review your contribution details for correctness. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to process your contribution. You will receive a confirmation notification once your contribution is successfully processed. To view your contribution history, return to the Contributions section on your dashboard. Next, you will want to set up reporting for your HSA contributions. Navigate to the reporting section available in your account. Select the reporting period you want to review, such as monthly or yearly. Download or view the report as needed for your records or tax purposes. Make sure to keep all documentation for your records. If you encounter any issues during the setup, refer to the Help Center on the Lively website. Using these steps will help ensure that your HSA contributions and reporting are set up successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.